The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, is a loosely defined region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean where a number of aircrafts and ships are said to have disappeared under mysterious circumstances. The first written boundaries date from an article by Vincent Gaddis in a 1964 issue of the pulp magazine Argosy, where the triangle's three vertices are in Miami, Florida, San Juan, Puerto Rico, and the mid-Atlantic island of Bermuda. The earliest allegation of unusual disappearances in the Bermuda area appeared on September 17, 1950. Flight 19 is a group of 5 U.S. Navy TBM Avenger bombers on a training mission. Next, we will show a fascinating video that looks at a group of aircrafts that were the first of thousands to go missing inside the mysterious Bermuda Triangle in 1945. Let's watch it.
FT-28, this is Fort Lauderdale.
Do you read me?
FT-28 to Fort Lauderdale, do you have a fix yet?
The myth of the Bermuda Triangle began on the 5th of December 1945, when a group of 5 aircraft mysteriously disappeared.
Everything is wrong.
Even the ocean looks different.
Flight 19 was a routine training mission of 5 Avenger torpedo bombers. The 3-seater Avenger was the US Navy's top ship and submarine killer. It could carry up to 2,000 pounds of ordnance and had a range of 1,000 miles. The Avenger was robust and reliable. The doomed Flight 19 left Fort Lauderdale at 2:10 on a clear winter's afternoon. 4 hours after they took off, they vanished into thin air. Fearing the worst, a naval air search rescue plane took off into the darkening skies. 20 minutes later, at 7:47 p.m., the rescue plane also disappeared. After a massive search, no wreckage was found, and nothing was ever heard from them again. Until now. Over the last 60 years, this mystery has sustained the wildest theories about what strange forces could be at work out here. Legend has it that the triangle covers the seas between Miami, the island of Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, an area of 1.5 million square miles. Since 1492, when Columbus first sailed into the area and saw strange lights in the sky, the list of unexplainable disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle has grown. Thousands of ships and planes have simply vanished. No warning, no distress calls, no wreckage. Richard Weiner has written many best-selling books about these strange disappearances.
We don't know our own planet. We know more about the moon. We're probably learning more about Mars than we know of our own planet. We know about the Earth, but we don't know about the sea.
The boatyards of Key West hum with stories about those who were lost in the triangle. Stories of giant sea monsters, cosmic time warps, spinning compasses, and holes in the ocean that swallowed ships have echoed throughout the world. Yet the disappearances continue.
I would say there's some kind of a anomaly going on down there that we can't explain. Something that goes on down far, far below the deepest rays, the last rays of sunlight. Way down, there's something going on down there.
Moreover, popular culture has attributed various disappearances to the paranormal activity of extraterrestrial beings. An explanation for some of the disappearances has focused on the presence of large fields of methane hydrates, which is a form of natural gas that automatically spreads on the continental shelves. Lab experiments carried out in Australia have proven that bubbles can indeed sink a scale model ship by decreasing the density of water. Any wreckage consequently rising to the surface would be rapidly dispersed by the Gulf Stream. It has been hypothesized that periodic methane eruptions, sometimes called mud volcanoes, may produce regions of frothy water that are no longer capable of providing adequate buoyancy for ships. If this were the case, such an area forming around the ship could cause it to sink very rapidly and without any warning. According to the US Navy, the triangle does not exist, and the name is not recognized by the US Board in Geographical Names at all. Therefore, this is considered pseudoscience since all the articles that were written on it were people's assumptions. They might be true, they might be false. To conclude, the legend of the Bermuda Triangle is an unsolved mystery. Even scientific research does not have the answer to the questions about the triangle. Natural, supernatural, UFO, human error, pirate, we still don't know.